This is the 400mm basket machine. It's built by Fagor and it's badged in the UK as asber. It's a fairly simple machine. Adjustment on the detergent there. Fairly standard boiler element there. And the standard wash tank element there. Thermostat for the boiler. Turn it right up to full and just back 5 minutes. The wash tank thermostat doesn't change. That's the adjustment for the rinse injector. That's the inlet for the detergent. You can pull that off and make sure it's clear. Inside the machine, arms spin fairly well. Good air trap. Same on top. You need to make sure that those rinse arms are angled. If you've got very low pressure, it helps to spin that around. It should spin in that direction. Make sure the wash jets are clear. And then you can see they're inclined that way too to help it spin. There's also a hole in the bottom of the wash arm. There's a hole in there, or you can make a hole in there and in there, which will help it to spin around if you've got very low rinse pressure. Filter is fairly easy to take out. To take off the top, to get to the electrics, 2 screws here, 2 there. You need to pull this off from there because it's sealed in. You don't have to take the 2 screws off from underneath here. You just and lift that off. This one's got a 3-cam mechanical timer, which is easy to fix. 2 circuit breakers, a relay, and probably a door relay. And that's the on-off selector switch. Everything's fairly simple. There, the wiring's very good. Pressure switch. If the machine keeps filling, doesn't stop, pull off that rubber, blow into it, that'll clear the air trap. Put it back on again. Bulbs fairly flimsy, probably well to do without them because they'll blow up easily. The wash pump, not great. Sometimes it'll stick. You need to turn it like that with a screwdriver. If that doesn't work, you'd probably have to change the capacitor. That's the solenoid valve. If it doesn't fill, check that's, I think it's 3.14K across it. Either that or put a live and neutral on it and check that it's open and closing. And that's about it, that machine.